Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Thursday, about 9:50, just getting in from work, getting the bike cleaned up. We got Myrtle Beach Bike Rally in South Carolina in about 3 or 4 weeks, and I've been doing a lot to my bike, trying to get it ready to go up there. So got it cleaned up finally after getting everything installed and riding the last couple of weeks. The weather wasn't the best in the world, so just getting it cleaned up. So it's a 2013 Kawasaki Vaquero. When I got it, it was bone stock. I mean bone stock. Got the Shark Road, what I call meat hook handlebars on it. Got the Avon grips. Got just some cheap mirrors off of eBay, but they work good. The speakers that come in it suck. I mean, there's no way about it. But you can buy these adapters. They're 5.5 or 5.25, I think. They come in it, but you can buy them adapters. And these pieces right here, then you can put 6.5 in it. So I put kicker 6.5. So I have a sound digital amp up underneath the fairing. Got the Clockworks windshield, 9-inch. Got LEDs in my fog lights. Just got a white bulb in my regular. The only reason I didn't do LED because I ain't changed out the head unit, and they say it interferes with the head unit. So you can't see in here, but right here I got the big air intake from Chuckster. It's got the K&M filter on it. Dance irons, just slip-ons, but it sound okay. Love my sissy bar, just got in on the other day. Looks sick. And I do have the ECU flash since I've done the big air intake and the pipes. Mo Mafia out of South Carolina hooked me up with that. Bike runs night and day difference. Night and day. I'm very, very pleased. So yeah, no, she's not a Harley, but it does what I need it to do. And we will be in Myrtle Beach at Bike Week. I think we're going down the 16th, which is that Thursday towards the end, and stay until Sunday. Me and a couple of buddies in my riding club are going. I think she's pretty. Can't really tell. I don't think you can tell with a camera. But it's got that metal flake. It's not a gloss paint job. It's like a semi-gloss. It's not a matte. But it's got that flake in it. And man, when you get her cleaned up, representing for the boys. That's our riding club, Defiant Spirits. Out of Pink Hill, North Carolina. Come on. We'll be riding her more before we go, but she'll have to have another bath before we leave. But I've had so many fingerprints, took so much mess off and on, off and on, off and on. I mean, it was crazy. She had to have a bath. So we're gonna do, oh yeah, I did get the backrest. Just a stock seat. I'm gonna have my seat redone by a guy in Jacksonville. But it's just a slipping grasshopper. The thing I like about it, you can just take it right out. It's got a little piece down there when you don't need it, and then when you need it, there you go. This is my 4th set of Avon grips. I love this little gangster low profile. Man, they're comfortable. All right, well, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna see what else we can get into, and we'll check on y'all later.